second speaker, Salim, who is Business Development Director at Orbitworks. Salim, the floor is yours. Let me stop sharing my screen and yeah, so you can present your, give your talk.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Julia. It's been a great opportunity to be able to speak in front of all of you, especially in this dedicated webinar on the UAE space sector. It reflects the bold vision, the UAE's unwavering ambition to not just be a participant in the space industry, but also a global leader in the space economy. So the UAE has always dared to dream beyond its horizon, from launching the Hope probe to nurturing scientists, entrepreneurs, engineers in the space sector. And this nation has shown that if you have ambition combined with execution, you create transformation. But why the UAE? I think the UAE is uniquely placed to become the hub for commercial satellite manufacturing and for space industry in general. It is strategically located between East and West. It has a world-class infrastructure and a forward-looking regulations and a culture of innovation. So whatever the UAE offers, it brings trust, stability, and an ecosystem that is needed for a thriving global industry. And let me emphasize on one thing, that space today is not a distant frontier. It is an infrastructure. So satellites today underpins our national security, our climate systems, our food supply chain, as well as the way we communicate and connect with each other. So the UAE's ambition is not in space only, and it's not about prestige. It's about delivering real solutions to real world problems for its people, for the region, and for humanity in general. And this is where Orbitworks' journey begins. So Orbitworks is a satellite manufacturing company, the first commercial satellite manufacturing company in the region, and headquartered here in Abu Dhabi. Our mission is clear and compelling, is to decentralize satellite manufacturing and position these regions to be in the heart of the global supply chain in the space industry. And at the core of this vision, we have our state-of-the-art facility that we are putting together and building. We're going to announce the completion of that facility in a few weeks with a production capacity of 50 satellites per year. That's a satellite a week. Also, at the heart of the vision is Altair Constellation, which we announced in Make It in the Emirates show last May of 2025. It's our next-gen AI-enabled mission-ready platform, and it represents a leap forward in how satellites are designed, built, and deployed. Its modularity and flexibility meets the evolving needs of governments, enterprises, and civil agencies alike. So think of Abu Dhabi as the trust anchor and the stable foundation for this endeavor, and Orbitworks as the execution engine, driving forward a new model of speed, customization, innovation in the satellite manufacturing sector. But why does the space sector matter? Everybody knows that today satellites are the invisible backbone of the modern infrastructure. They bridge the digital divide by securing global networks and enabling billions of people to participate in the digital economy. They power Earth observation capabilities to monitor climate change and provide rapid response to disasters. And they bring edge compute in orbit as well, enables AI-driven insights directly from space, which contributes to an efficiency in many businesses and many operations. So the opportunity is clear. Governments, enterprises, research institutes need access to these capabilities. They need it fast and at scale. And this is where Orbitworks makes a difference. We combine speed, flexibility, and customization to deliver tailored mission. Whether you are a sovereign government that looks into enhancing your national security capabilities, or a private enterprise that would like to optimize your energy or mining operations, we adapt. And this adaptability is not just a feature, it's essential. For emerging economies in particular, space has particularly been out of reach. high costs, long lead times, technology restrictions have kept them on the margins. But Orbitworks would like to change that by lowering barriers to entry and also offering customizable solutions. We create access, and not just for large players, but for diverse global base clients. And this way, Orbitworks becomes not just a manufacturer, but a bridge between established markets and also emerging ones. And the story is not ours alone. It's part of a broader vision in the UAE to become a leader in the global space economy. So the UAE sits on a crossroad between East and West. And in space, this geographical advantage translates into leadership in connectivity, logistics, and collaboration. And we align with our national strategies in the UAE as well. So from the Artemis Accord to cooperation on science missions on a global base, the UAE recognizes that only through collaboration we can achieve sustainable progress in this industry. That's why partnership in the global industry with the leaders of the industry, with startups and academia is embedded in Orbitworks' DNA. And make no mistake, this is not about just space. It's about the UAE moving from an oil-based economy to a knowledge and innovation-based economy. And space is not just the future of an industry of the future. It's an enabler for many future industries. So looking ahead, we're looking at space as a force multiplier for sustainability, innovation, and security. And commercial space manufacturing will drive this economic diversification, creating jobs, fostering talents, and anchoring new industries across the value chain. So Orbitworks is committed to shaping this new era. Our vision is to build space infrastructure that is scalable, reliable, and mission-ready in our region. And we're building not just for prestige, we're building for impact, and we're building not for today, we're building for the next generations. And as we sum up our commitment in one phrase is, our ambition is global, but our foundation is local. And our impact is tangible already. And to make this impact real, I will leave you with 4 points that demonstrates what is already underway with Orbitworks. We're building a capacity to manufacture 1 satellite per week, talking 50 satellites a year. This will accelerate access and shorten timelines to deploy constellations dramatically. We also have secured approvals for restricted technologies, which is a testament to the global trust in Abu Dhabi's industrial base. We partner with Loft Orbital, and we partner with many other global companies to add credibility and heritage, which ensures that every mission that we are going to work on benefits from global best practice and experience. And this is not just a promise. Operational satellites with our technology are already in orbit, delivering tangible results in sensing, monitoring, and data acquisition. So to close, I would like to say that the UAE has set the stage, and Orbitworks is supporting writing the next chapter of this stage. So together, we're not just building satellites, but we're building an infrastructure for a new world where space is more accessible and innovation is global and solutions in orbit serve humanity on Earth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Salim. Let me share my screen. Yeah, thank you so much, Salim. Wonderful presentation, wonderful, encouraging presentation.